Tagumpay.
Hi.
Hi, Burton.
Hello, how are you?
Mustang buhay.
Ay,
Oh,
Ayan.
there you are. Hi, how are
hi,
you?
President
How
Primo.
are you?
We're
Good,
fine.
Good. You know if Elder Oliver is going to join us?
Yes.
He is. Okay, good.
Wing.
Who left us the world? Who left us
Huh?
the world picture? There's a globe of the world and a laptop. Oh, there we go.
Sa'yo, Vice President.
Hey, you got the whole world again. Huh?
You're so early, President.
Oh.
I got the whole world.
Hello, Baron! President, when we were still in Salt Lake, I used to talk to this guy.
I got my caravan.
Carabao.
Kumusta, Barong?
Mabuti. I'm doing good. Ikaw?
Eto mataba. I'm getting fat.
I passed over that.
So with all this COVID thing, I've been just like doing my garden. So so when we were in Salt Lake, we rented this house with a garden, and I just started to do garden, and I did realize that I love to do gardens. So when we got our house here in North Carolina, I started to do my garden last year, and it was awesome. So I'm doing gardens again this year. I've been harvesting I just harvested some tomatoes and eggplants today.
No zucchinis?
Not yet. They're still. Give it a month or two. There'll be
Give them 3 more days and they'll be too big.
They're fast. They grow fast.
So are we okay now? Everybody saw, who else is going to join us? A bump?
So President, actually, Joe.
Yeah, do it, Nay.
So we started early, but I think is the meeting officially starts an hour from now?
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it started at 6 our time. Starts at 7 o'clock Pacific?
Yes, I think. Because that's the program says 10 o'clock in the Philippines. That's
What time is
an
there?
hour from now.
What time is there now?
It's almost 6 here in California, West Coast time.
6
Oh,
6
okay.
p.m.
I thought it started at 6, so okay.
It started at 6, okay.
So we'll start at 7. Is it okay with you, President?
Yes, well, I've got
Yeah.
a,
Thank you.
all right.
Nice. Colonario is joining in.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have some more join right now. People joining on Facebook are asking if it started, and I let them know that it was.
Oh, I'm sorry, I must have misread your comments, Joseph.
President.
I understood from your memo that it was going to go from 6 to 8 Pacific.
Oh, I emailed, I texted you, said 7
Okay,
your
then,
time.
okay, but that was Arizona time. Okay, so they're ahead of us an hour, so that's why. All right, got it.
I'm so sorry.
No problem.
My fault.
That's one of the cardinal sins, you know.
Better to be early, right?
Now,
So how are you, President? What's going on?
well, we're just prospering in Zion. We just had our 20th great grandchild born, and 36 grandchildren and 20 great grandchildren, and so there's a lot of us running around here, drinking a lot of water and breathing a lot of air. So
That's cool.
President, may I ask, how old
Yeah.
are you now?
Unmute ka,
I'm
Sister Apolinario.
82 now, soon be 83.
Wow. So when you went on your mission, how old were you then?
When I went there, I was, we were there from 2002 to 5. And so I was 60 when hey, so let's see how old. 2002 to 5. So I was 62 or something like that when I was at the field.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been 20 years.
It is. It has
Oh,
been about,
what is
about
it?
that.
15 years, 15 years.
Yeah.
Oh,
I feel old. And
Look at
Yeah.
Joseph. He aged.
I'm old.
now, are the sisters' names going to be put up there for us? I see
So-
two beautiful Filipinas, neither of whom have their names up.
Oh, one is Sister
Good evening.
Balasabas.
Sister Balasabas.
Apolinario.
Then Sister Apolinario.
Polinario, I just saw your pictures.
Good evening.
We have all the pictures. We have every picture from the transfer board.
Dennis
Yeah.
Villegas, President.
And we've been going through those, looking at them and thinking of all the rogues that we had in there. All the wonderful people. So it's really sweet. And I just,
Hello, President.
Hey, how's it going?
Asi.
very well.
Kamusta, amigo?
Everybody gonna have their names up? That'd be great.
Excuse me, I'm here.
So Elder Haba is not in with us yet, though, is he?
He will be joining.
I will.
Yeah.
So he didn't go to prison yet? Just kidding, just kidding.
Hi, President.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Now, where are you located?
I'm
Dennis,
in New
unmute
Zealand.
ka.
Where?
In New Zealand, in Auckland, New Zealand.
Oh, so you're calling in from there.
Yes.
Good. And you don't have any COVID-19, right?
They're
Um,
COVID free
Pretty
yeah,
free.
we were COVID free for almost a month, but
for a month now.
Yeah.
yeah, we just have some cases now from people just coming back, but they're in
That's-
isolation.
Right. But that's outside from you guys, right? That people
Yeah.
coming in from abroad.
Yeah.
But you've been COVID free for a month. That's wonderful.
That's right. What about the Philippines?
Hi, President. Good morning.
So,
Morning.
Sister Balasabas will tell you something about the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, sister. Go ahead.
Go ahead, sister.
I'm in Cebu City. And we are now we're back to enhanced community quarantine.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yes.
We have high cases of COVID here.
Are the hospitals space available?
Not really.
No. That's,
Hi, President Bimbo.
hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good, lots of handsome people on now.
From Sydney, Australia.
Oh, yes, okay. Well, there's not many COVID cases there either, right?
Mostly down in Melbourne. Not here in Sydney.
Yeah, we're supposed to be in Arizona, but there's a lot of cases in Arizona. So, matter of fact, the little town that closest to where we live, they had 6 cases, and I think there's only 300 people in the whole area. So that's a pretty high percentage. But
Where are you at now, President?
we're still in Thousand Oaks, California, between LA and Los Angeles and San Francisco. But if you've ever gone surfing at Malibu, we're about 8 miles in from Malibu.